In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ftmo to Ctrader quick and easy 2025. By the end, you will be confidently logged in to the Ftmo Ctrader web platform and ready to explore your workspace. Keep your internet connection stable and have your Ftmo login details handy so the process is seamless. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Ftmo website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top navigation bar. Find the trading option along the menu and click it. This takes you to an area where Ftmo groups together all things related to trading. From there, choose Trading Platforms. This page lists the platform options Ftmo supports, and that's where we'll access the Ctrader experience. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Ftmo Ctrader. This is the dedicated area for connecting your Ftmo account specifically to the Ctrader environment. Inside that section, select Web Browser. This opens the Ctrader web terminal that runs directly in your browser, which is great if you want a quick setup without installing software. It's fast, secure, and perfect for getting started right away. If your browser asks to allow pop-ups for the site, go ahead and allow them so the login window can appear if needed. Once the web terminal page loads, look to the top right corner and click Login. You'll see options to sign in with your Ftmo account credentials, and you may also see a Continue with Google option. Choose the method that matches how your Ftmo account is set up. Enter your details carefully, and if you're using Google Sign In, follow the prompts to authorize access. If you're new to Ctrader's web interface, don't worry. After logging in, you'll land on a clean, organized workspace with your watch list, charts, and account information in view. A quick tip here. Make sure you're logging into the Ftmo branded Ctrader page so your account connects properly to the right server. If a login doesn't complete, double check your credentials and ensure no extra spaces were copied into the fields. You can also refresh the page and try again. Browser cache issues are rare, but a quick refresh often resolves minor hiccups. That's it. You've connected Ftmo to Ctrader through the web browser. From here, you can customize your layout, switch symbols, and prepare your charts. If the website layout looks slightly different than what you see here, the labels may have moved, but the flow is the same. Trading platforms, Ftmo Ctrader, web browser, log in and sign in. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trading experience on Ctrader.